We love ice. We have had a standalone ice maker in our home for the past 5 years. We started out with the Opal by GE, and that broke after about 5 years. So then we purchased this Frigidaire Gallery Nugget ice maker a couple of months ago. So we've had some time with it, and I wanted to give you the pros and cons of both machines, give you some of the specs of this one, and answer the question, is it worth it? One of the things I prefer on the Frigidaire over the Opal is how easy it is to fill. This top section just opens up and you pour your water right in here. The basket holds about 3 pounds of ice, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to start producing. This is the ice button. This is the cleaning mode button. These lights indicate whether it's on, if the ice is full, or if you need to add water. Some of the things that I would mention that are very similar, if not the same, about this machine and the Opal machine is that they are very similar in size. This is 16.5 inches tall, about 10 inches wide, and then if you take into account the hoses in the back, it's about 15 inches deep. Let's talk some of the cons, because while this is a great machine and it produces amazing crunchy nugget ice, there are a few things that I think are important to mention. And the first is that it's a loud machine. You can hear it's on right now, and it does make quite a bit of noise. The second thing I would mention is that it does not come with a side tank that the Opal does, and that is something that I really miss because I keep my machine on 24 hours a day. I always want to be able to have access to fresh ice, and the lack of side tank on this machine means that I have to fill this a lot more often than I did with my Opal. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a budget machine that produces a great nugget ice, this is a great machine. If you don't mind that noise, I think that this is a great investment. If this noise really bothers you, or if you really want to have that side tank and be able to just fill it less often, then I would say maybe wait for the Opal. Overall, we are very pleased with this, and we are happy to have this addition in our home.